Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to view your wish list on Tubi. So guys, you have added some series or movies to your wish list, but now you don't know where to find them. This video is for you. So guys, first of all, you can either open a browser and go to this website, or if you have an app, you can go to that app. But since I'm using a PC, I'm just going to go to the browser. And once you're here, just look at the top right corner where you can see your name. Once you go there, now you'll see options like account settings, help center, activate your device, and sign out. Just go ahead and tap on account settings over here. And once you're there, now you'll see options like parental controls, notifications, profile, continue watching in my list, and subtitles and appearance. You just need to go to this option over here. And you can see you're in continue watching. Just go to my list. And if you have added some of them to your wish list, then you can find them right here. As you can see, I haven't added anything, so I cannot see options, but if you have added them, then you can find it right here. So guys, there you go. That's how you view your wish list on Tubi. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.